You need to lay the bag out ready to accept the rear window first. Lay the rear window face down, and be sure to have the clasps or buckles facing each other. Grab a protective pad, and use the Velcro to attach it to the Velcro on the top of the rear window. Make sure you don't trap the clasp underneath it. Wrap it around the bottom edge of the rear window, and then fold the outside edge on top of itself. And it's the same process on the other side. Attach the protective pad using the Velcro. Make sure the clasp moves freely. Fold the pad over the bottom edge, and lay the edge of the window on top. And now you can tuck both edges into the storage bag. Attach the 4 clasps along the top edge of the bag with the rear window. Fold both layers of black felt over on top. Lay down your first side window. Now it doesn't matter which way you put it, face up, face down, just make sure it lines up with the clasps. And go along and attach the window to the bag. As you can see, the clasps are offset, so you'll be able to add the second window without them interfering with each other. Fold the first layer of black felt back over the side window. Lay your second side window on top of that. And again, connect the window to the bag. And the window should fit neatly along the edge of the felt. Fold the second layer of black felt over on top of the second window. And now you can close up the whole bag. Carefully lift up the side windows and the felt pads and lay it on top of the rear window. And then fasten each of the side zippers. They're a good quality zipper, so they just slide easily in place. And you can place the bag behind the front seats. Using the attached straps on the bag, you can attach them to the headrests. Along the bottom edge there's a couple of fastening loops. I used the Velcro straps included in my Bronco kit to hold them in place around the seatbelt stem. And you can see there's plenty of room for rear passengers to still get in and out easily. Along the top of the bag there are 4 loops, so you can hang it in the garage if you don't want to take it with you. And it does fit in the cargo area, but you do have to curve it slightly. But it can still attach to the headrests.